While walking, let's chit chat a little bit. Here in Malaysia, I'm not shy to speak English language because there is no one will say, "Oh, your grammar, your sentence, your pronunciation is wrong." Yeah, because in the Philippines, oh, wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation, wrong sentence, they will tear you apart. Yes, but here in Malaysia you can say can, okay, and we will understand each other. Yeah, no need to look for the correct grammar or correct sentence to use or correct pronunciation, because here the pronunciation is very different from the pronunciation the Filipino knows, because the Filipino is American accent. Here British accent. British accent means here in Malaysia they said it's British accent, but maybe, I don't know, Malaysian English is a British accent. So that's why sometimes I cannot understand the English that they are saying. Yeah. So it's sometimes the body language, the charade, yeah, charade. That's I think is one of the factor that I understand them. Yeah, all of them, the Chinese, the Malaysians, and the other foreigner here. Okay, so for all, bye. Let's watch a game. So we are now watching the games here in the park. Nagpapatay ng oras para malibang naman, huwag puro trabaho, gala-gala din kami. Okay. Oh, bahala na kayong umintindi kung anong pinag-uusapan nila. Okay. Yeah, that's my okay. They are all Myanmar. Yeah, they are all Myanmar playing. They are playing sepak takraw in the Philippines. Yeah. Okay. And here on the other side, Malaysian, Chinese playing basketball. Okay, half court and another half court. Okay, so that's here in the park. Okay, enjoy watching. Thank you for watching always my channel. Please subscribe for our channel, like, and please comment. Okay, here in the other side is sepak takraw of Myanmar. Okay.